Hi, today we're going to make a super easy and delicious potato dish that can be served with breakfast or as a side dish with dinner or as an amazing filling for tacos. Very simple. Red potatoes sliced with the skin on, 2 cups of cherry tomatoes sliced in half, and 1 medium-sized red onion sliced in thin slices, and I've used 3 large red potatoes. Then we're gonna have to use a little bit of olive oil, salt, black pepper, and garlic salt. That's it. Let's put it together. We are heating up about 3 tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna put a little bit of onion there, so when it starts to sizzle, we know the oil is hot enough for the rest of our ingredients. We are ready to add our potatoes to our hot oil. And we're gonna make sure they're fully coated with that great olive oil. Now we're going to add our 2 cups, more or less, of onion. Now we're going to add our salt while the potatoes and the onions start to brown a little bit. Our black pepper. And our garlic salt. Then we'll mix everything together again. Now we're going to add our tomatoes. And mix everything together. Now we're going to lower our heat to a low, and we're going to cover this up. And we'll stir every 5 minutes or so, but we're gonna let it cook for about 20 minutes until the potatoes are nice and soft, and you'll have a wonderful potato dish. Super simple. Okay, our potatoes are now soft and delicious, and as I mentioned before, you can eat them with breakfast with eggs, beans, bacon, or this can be a great side dish for steak or chicken dinner. But my favorite way of eating them is on a warm tortilla with some pickled jalapeno peppers, not for wimps. Then we roll up the tortilla, and yum. Delicious.